Have you been learning old skills from your parents about business? Because those are 20-year-old solutions. Have they changed? Absolutely. Because you know what? The discovery of social media, cell phones, it's funny because 20 years ago, I didn't own a cell phone. You had that old dial-up, or then they changed to that push button. Home phones to cell phones. Now we can do videos like this, that actually we can talk to people on social media, live videos, YouTube, so many different platforms. Those are all new tools to grow businesses. Of course, everybody's still using the old method of networking, cold calling. But do you want to use cold calling anymore? Because you know what? The world's changing. The world's changing to a heart-centered, connecting with people. If this video is really connected with you, in a way that, you know what, I'm one of those old school people, like myself, that wants to change the way I do business. And if you want to stay in that way of business that you've been doing for 20 years, then fantastic. That's great. You know what? That's what you know. But I'm going to tell you, if you want to change into the future, there's some learning to do. Because every time you think that you know everything means you know nothing. And that's what I thought. I know how to run a business. I know how to do social media. And I didn't until I learned how to do it. And how did I learn how to do it? By doing it, but also from a mentor and from a program, by going to workshops, going to meetups, learning from other people, younger people that actually has been doing all this new idea of new business style. Because if we think we don't know how to do it, we're going to learn how to do it. So I have this gift that I would love for you to go to. It's a 2-hour event that I believe 100% that'll change your way of thinking, the way you do business, the way you connect with people. So this event is called Master Your Business from Maximum Profit and Success, hosted by Colin Sprake, owner and operator of Make Your Mark. He's a transformational leader within the world right now that's changing business owners' lives. So this is my complimentary gift to you, to come out and meet new people and learn how to grow your business in a way that you thought you never could. So everybody have a fantastic day and create the abundance that you deserve. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.